Hello everyone, my name is Mariam Mokhtar. On the 19th of November, Latheefa Koya, the former Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission chief, raised serious concerns about the recent appointment of Federal Court Judge Ahmad Terrirudin Salleh to the Judicial Appointments Commission, JAC. She says there are unresolved allegations against him, including a leaked JAC meeting transcript that accuses him of interfering in judicial matters. Let's go through the key reasons why all that she said matters a lot to us, to Malaysians. The first is judicial integrity. The appointment could weaken public trust in the courts if serious claims remain unaddressed. Number two is the lack of transparency. There is no public answer on whether those allegations were ever properly investigated. Number three is the risk to checks and balances. Now, the JAC's role is to vet judges. Putting someone under question in that body may undermine its credibility. The fourth is potential abuse of power. If the allegations are true, then it hints at deeper problems with how judicial decisions are influenced. Number five is the threats to the free press. Malaysia Guinea is being probed for asking about the issue, and this could chill investigative journalism. Point six is the political influence in the judiciary. Terrirudin was appointed via the Prime Minister, thus raising fears of politicization. Number seven is the bad precedent for future appointments. Ignoring serious allegations could make unethical appointments normal. Number eight is the rule of law is in danger because executive picks on key legal bodies undermine the concept of an independent judiciary. Number nine is that institutional reputation is at risk. Malaysia's legal system could lose respect internally and internationally. And number 10 is that civil engagement is the civil engagement rallying cry. Latheefa's call for answers encourages Malaysians to demand accountability and to stay engaged. So, what are the consequences if her warnings are ignored? Judicial independence could erode. Then, public trust in courts may also collapse. Anti-corruption efforts risk being undermined. Whistleblowers and media could be discouraged. Politicization of judicial bodies may deepen. Legal abuse by powerful individuals might also increase. Civic disillusionment could grow, and long-term instability is possible as the frustration builds. The bottom line is this. This isn't just about one judge, because it's about the integrity of Malaysia's entire judicial system. Latheefa's warning should be taken seriously. Thank you for listening. Speak to you soon. If you like my videos, please press like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please also visit my Patreon channel if you wish to sponsor me. Thank you.